So I'm going to try and make a monkey tool today. I've got some 1-inch square bar to use as the monkey tool is going to be on this end, and hopefully I can keep this end cool enough to use it as a handle. I'm also going to use it's about a 5/8, 5/8, a little over half an inch wide by 1 1/16 inch drift. I got a 5/8 punch. I think it would be better if it was 7/8, but I don't have one made yet. I've got a 5/8 by, I don't know, ½ inch drift for the first part. So punch, drift, drift for the eye, and then that's it for the tools that we need. Also gonna need a hammer and everything. But I'll start up the forge and get started. So about 1 inch, 1 inch from the end. Hit it. It's out in the middle. This looks good. Alright. Now I have a mark. I'm gonna put it back on the forge and heat it up. Turn the tool around. I think this side is just a little bit thicker than this side, so this side's getting pushed out just a little bit more. I went a little far when on this side, but the slug came out clean, and it's good to start drifting, I think. So I'm going to start drifting on the side that the plug I drifted from this side to this side, so I'm going to start drifting from this side to the other side. This side is still a little thick, but I'm fine with it. I'm going to forge out the hammer in. Clamped it in the vise and cleaned up this end. So I'm just going to forge it straight, and that's going to be all the forging I'm going to do on this. So I'm going to cut off the monkey tool at about 1¼ inches from the inside side of the eye. So here's the finished monkey tool. I just filed the face flattish. I'll probably clean up on the grinder sooner or later. I used a 5/16 inch drill bit. Drill the hole in. It's not perfectly straight. Goes off to the side just a little bit, or the drift or the whole thing is off center or something. I chamfered it with just a larger drill bit, and that's as far as I know the completed tool. You use this, you forge out a tenon, and this goes down on the tenon to clean up the shoulder. So imagine my fingers are the shoulder of the bar. It's kind of bent because you're hand forging it. You put this over it, you forge it, and it comes out all square. So you can see how long the tenon is. This one will go up to about 2 1/4 inches with the on the inside. Thanks for watching.